Urban legends about galaxies. There are many mysterious and interesting stories about the universe and the stars. Especially popular are those based on the hypothesis of unknown beings or alien involvement. Now, allow me to share with you a compelling urban legend regarding galaxies. Galactic Federation. The Galactic Federation is an organization mentioned in urban legends and conspiracy theories related to the universe and aliens. It is a consortium of multiple intelligent life forms and civilizations believed to exist in the vast Milky Way. Those who believe in the existence of the Galactic Federation, extraterrestrial life is highly evolved, working for peaceful purposes, already in contact with humanity, or claim to be trying to make contact. Key features and legends about the Galactic Federation. A constituent Galactic Federation it is said to consist of alien races of many planets and star systems within the Milky Way. Each of these races has advanced science and technology. We work together to maintain peace and harmony. Frequently, the Federation's principal aim is to maintaining order in the galaxy, prevention of war, protection of the natural environment. It is said to promote evolutionary harmony. Two purposes. One of the great goals of the Galactic Federation is to keep the peace of the universe, watching evolutionarily immature planets such as Earth, to support its development. They don't invade other civilizations, intervene only when necessary, get involved, especially the Earth as a planet in the process of evolution. The Galactic Federation is regarded as a safeguarding entity in many aspects. 3. Its connection with Earth. The theory that the Galactic Federation is involved with Earth is very widespread. Among conspiracy theorists, major governments and elites on Earth are secretly cooperating with the Galactic Federation. It is sometimes claimed that they are trying to keep their existence from being known to Earthlings. In particular, some believe that the US government and organizations such as NASA are hiding information. Also, in some, the Galactic Federation is said to be watching over Earth to prevent space wars and invasions, and is also said to be protecting humanity from extraterrestrial threats. Commanders of Isiud. The concept of the Galactic Federation attracted a lot of attention because a person who was in charge of the Goto Middle project in Israel in 2000. It was triggered by remarks made by Professor Fisiod and others. He believes that extraterrestrial life actually exists. I mentioned that they are forming an organization called the Galactic Federation, ESDO. Although American government officials are also aware of this fact, I said I was trying not to make it public. According to Professor ESDO, the Galactic Federation, when humanity has evolved sufficiently until we can understand the one in the universe, it is said to refrain from direct contact with the Earth. 5. Messages and channeling. Messages by means called channeling by many people from the Galactic Federation claims to be receiving. What is channeling? Connect with aliens and spiritual beings through psychic means of communication. It is the act of conveying a message. Aliens believed to be members of the Galactic Federation. Love and birds for mankind. Rumors suggest they are conveying messages about the evolution of the cosmos. Enemies of the Sixth Galactic Federation. As per popular lore, the Galactic Federation, it's not always in perfect harmony with every being in the galaxy. There are supposed to be conflicts with malevolent alien races such as reptilians and greys. These races rule the Earth, scheme to exploit and plunder resources. It is said that stories have also spread that the Galactic Federation is protecting Earth to prevent it. Both credibility and criticism surround the legends of the Galactic Federation. Lack of scientific evidence. Absolutely not harboring any conspiracy theories or occult ideas. Many scientists and astronomers, I wholly reject this theory. Nonetheless, these stories have gained significant traction among UFO researchers and spiritual enthusiasts, and some have very specific testimonies and experiences. The legend of the Galactic Federation, SF works and movies Racer. It is also strongly influenced by the Trek series and others, mostly out of curiosity about the universe and unknown life forms. It is supported by the people of Conclusion, the Galactic Federation. Extraterrestrial life is already organized. Monitoring the Earth. It's one of the epic urban legends of supporting, associated with many SF and spiritual ideas, especially popular among conspiracy theorists and alien devotees. Because of the lack of scientific evidence, its existence has not yet been confirmed officially. The Earth is under constant alien surveillance. The theory that many Earths are watched. The focus is on alien monitoring of our planet. These extraterrestrials has a civilization far more advanced than Earth? Earth human behavior? Technological advances? Rumors suggest it is meticulously tracking social evolution. Without their direct interference, watching the Earth at a certain distance, it is also believed that they can intervene in crisis situations if necessary. Monitoring methods. In terms of monitoring methods, there is a theory as follows. Hidden spaceship. Like beyond Earth's atmosphere and on the far side of the moon, place a spaceship out of sight. Theory that we are observing the whole Earth. Black Knight satellite, a mysterious object believed to be orbiting the Earth, claims to be a surveillance device for extraterrestrial life. It is also said that this has been watching over the Earth for thousands of years. Disguised alien? An alien planet mimicking humans. People are lurking on the Earth. The conjecture is they blend into society to spy on us. This idea, often linked with alien races like reptilians and greys, they objectives of extraterrestrial beings. In this legend, there are also various hypotheses about the purpose of extraterrestrial life to monitor the Earth. The following are representative ones. Observation of evolution. The theory is that we are observing how civilization on Earth evolves. This is because Earth is a relatively young planet. It's the idea that other evolved races are watching over its growth process. The aliens are. It monitors humanity's progress toward cosmic awareness and technology. Their intervention prevents it. It is said that it is kept to a minimum unless it can be removed. Preparing for contact, another believes that aliens are conducting surveillance in preparation for formal contact with Earth. Earth's humanity is mature enough when it is determined that you are ready to join the cosmic society. Alien contact. There is a story about sharing technology and knowledge. This contact, it is supposed to be like a graduation ceremony for individual civilizations to merge with the rest of the galaxy. Protection of the Earth. There is also a theory that they monitor the Earth to protect it from danger. This is due to other malicious aliens or extraterrestrial, to protect the Earth from meteorite impacts and other cosmic disasters. The idea that an advanced civilization is watching. Based on this theory, because humanity does not yet have the technology to deal with space threats, there are reports that other aliens act on its behalf. Reasons not to intervene. There are also many theories as to why aliens do not interfere directly with Earth. The most common is the idea of pessimism. This respects the natural development of civilization on Earth. The theory suggests aliens aim to avoid unnecessary impact on evolution and societal progress. Related phenomena and evidence. The theory that extraterrestrial life is monitoring Earth. Certain physical evidence or eyewitness accounts could be connected to UFO sightings. Many UFO sightings reported on Earth are documented. It is believed to be evidence of aliens conducting surveillance activities. Of these UFOs are Earth's military activities, natural disasters, or appear interested in scientific progress. There is an interpretation that they are observing so as not to be noticed by Earthlings. Abduction, kidnapping. Fascinating tales of alien abduction. It is considered part of surveillance. In these cases, aliens abduct humans, reportedly engaging in numerous experiments and observations. This is also said to be an act that aliens are doing to scientifically understand the evolution and behavior of Earthlings. Ancient spaceflight facility. There is also a theory that extraterrestrial surveillance has been going on since ancient times. Related to this are ancient spaceflight facilities. It is the idea that aliens visited Earth in ancient civilizations and provided technology and knowledge. The mysterious iconography that remains in ancient ruins and art. It might be seen as evidence of that, from a scientific viewpoint and criticism. The idea that the Earth is being watched. It spread as part of SF and conspiracy theory. It's not supported by science. The vastness of the universe. Technological advancements required for humans to contact extraterrestrial beings. Given the physical challenges, the claim that hourly wages are monitored by aliens raises many questions. Modern scientists. We continue to explore the possibility of extraterrestrial life. So far, no conclusive evidence has been found that extraterrestrial civilizations are monitoring Earth. The research that NASA and SETI say is, it is just an exploration based on scientific evidence. It's a far cry from urban legends and conspiracy theories. White Knight Sedan 1. White Knight Sedan Overview. White Knight Satyr. Generally, it has the following characteristics: spiritual or higher dimensions. It is considered a group of beings. Advanced civilization, Trey-like evolution. The race living in the White Knight Satyr is. They are said to have very high spiritual awareness and technical abilities, transcending physical constraints. They are peaceful. It is said that it hates strife and aggression, and is on a mission to bring harmony and prosperity to the entire universe. Guardian of the Galaxy. The race of this altar. There is also a theory that it is active to maintain harmony and peace throughout the galaxy. They watch over evolving civilizations, especially planets like Earth. It is said to provide assistance as needed. However, like many other monitoring heterosexual civilizations, they are also said to refrain from direct intervention. Spiritual teachings and the race that guides the White Knight Satyrs are said to exist is humanity on Earth through spiritual messages and teachings. It is believed that he is trying to lead. This is a form of channeling, etc. It is often received in love, spreads messages centered on themes such as spiritual growth. 2. The origin and mystical interpretation of the White Knight Sedan. Much of the talk about the White Knight Satyr, it comes from New Age and spiritual movements. In these movements, there are many high-dimensional beings and spiritual beings in the universe. Look at the Earth. It is said to be protecting. The White Knight Cluster is regarded as one of them. Their role is often portrayed as being critical in various contexts. Force of light. Inhabitants of the White Knight Cluster, as beings of light, fight against dark forces in space. It is said to play a role. They fight against malicious aliens such as ray reptilians and beings who create harmony in the galaxy. A mystical tale exists about their effort to sustain tranquility and balance. Teachings of reincarnation and karma. Some spiritualists, the White Knight Sedan race. I believe that it plays a role in conveying spiritual teachings such as reincarnation and karma to humans on Earth. Their teachings are transcending the material world. It aims to grow in the spiritual dimension. This is supposed to bring new awareness and understanding to the people of Earth. Channeling and messages. It is sometimes said that spiritual guides or channelers communicate with the White Knight Sedan and receive their messages. These messages are advice on the difficulties and transformations the Earth is now undergoing, and it narrates the perspectives extraterrestrial entities hold about humanity. 3 urban legendary aspects of the White Knight Sedan. White Knight states, legends linked to Dai. Messianic presence bringing peace to the entire universe. It contains a lot of stories about having a Yaguardian role. These legends, connected to stories of other alien civilizations and the Galactic Federation, good and evil throughout the galaxy. It depicts the conflict between light and darkness. Messianic role. The presence of the White Knight Cluster is when humanity faces a grave crisis, extending a helping hand in many forms. It's likely to make an appearance. These aren't physical battles. Humanity through spiritual wisdom and energy. Rumored to guide, transform a crisis into an era of peace and harmony. It is believed to have power. Galactic crisis management. In some legends, the White Knight Satyr is portrayed as being in charge of crisis management throughout the galaxy. They are involved in galactic conflicts and wars, or act as coordinator against threats from other galactic civilizations. They are said to be working behind the scenes to avoid war. Furthermore, scientific critique and perspectives on reality. The legend of the White Knight Sedan. It is devoid of a scientific basis, primarily rooted in spiritual and occult concepts. Astronomically speaking, no name White Knight Sailor or specific deployment has been confirmed. The evidence that its existence is a fact, there isn't. Many astronomers and scientists have. I consider these theories to be elements of wild fantasy. Nonetheless, these narratives are widely appreciated as integral to science fiction and spiritual culture and, especially in the context of self-development and spiritual growth themes. The presence of the White Knight Sedan is believed to have symbolic connotations. In conclusion, the White Knight Satyr, spiritual teachings and urban legends on the theme of cosmic harmony. It is one of the spiritual beings and civilizations mentioned in New Age thought. There is no scientific backing. It is treated solely as an aspect of mysticism and the occult. It is supported by many people as a symbol of peace and spiritual evolution. How did you like it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.